back to the channel and to another car. This time we have a 2018 Audi A3 S Line Black Edition. This is the 1 litre TFSI 3-cylinder petrol, 6-speed manual, 114 brake horsepower. It has one previous keeper. It's only covered 40,777 miles, and as you can see, it's on the register as a CAT S structural damage. As you can see, all the airbags and seat belts have been deployed, and the car is also listed as a non-runner. It also has all the usual S-Line refinements, but it does have cruise control, parking sensors, climate control, and the full infotainment system. If you have any questions about this car or any of my other builds, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. But we will be carrying on this video now, so let's get this car inside, strip down, and see how much damage is on there. There we are, that bit of time lapse probably took about an hour, so I don't know how quick it was there. But the good news, if we have a look into here, obviously we can see all the amount of broken plastics and all the grille, the bumper and the headlights and all that. Obviously we know that needs to be replaced, but our main concern was to have a look into here to see any damage to the chassis or the flitch plates. Looking up there, that one up here all looks fine, maybe just a bit needs to be just brought down there where the panel got caught. The chassis leg itself, there was no damage on the crash bumper, that was fine. So again, the chassis leg on that one is fine. The rads all had damage, and this chassis leg here too, this one's all fine. So that's good news. The car wouldn't start before, but it was giving me some sensor issues, but I guess this is why. It might be something to do, obviously, parts of the engine sensors and stuff, so we'll look into that, and obviously all this will need to be repaired. Again, looking at this one here, you can see this is slightly raised here. Look up the top there, so that will have to come down a little bit, but again, the rest of it back here, all good. Just obviously what you can see there, it's the wing that's actually taken all the damage. Obviously all the bumper needs, as we said, needs replacing. Washer bottle, still no damage there. All the bottom trays all in good condition. Loads of bits left inside there, but we'll have to clear all that out. The only other thing, there is a couple of broken bits on the engine, so if we remove that filter box for a minute, and there is a broken connector off the side of that exchange there, so this will have to be obviously replaced, but I think that's the exchange there, but I think this is just part of the intake manifold, and actually this part here is fractured around here. Oh, there we go. This part here, this is fractured as well, so that is also part of the inlet manifold, so that will have to be replaced, and hopefully it doesn't look like there's any damage to the exchange in there, so that's great. so just the plastic of the manifold, and we'll look for any other plastics as we go back through. Obviously 2 headlights, general paneling. We're going to obviously be replacing the 2 wings and the bonnet and the bumper. I'll check the rads because there's definitely damage to the condenser, but I'll have another look at the rads. I think the fan casing is broken, so may as well just go for a complete rad pack, but we'll leave it there for a minute. We're going to get some parts ordered up and then we'll come back and see how we do. Just one last update for this video now. So the front panel did turn up already, and if we just have a look there, so it's gone back into the original holes there. That wasn't the issue there. If we bring it down, you can see there that all the holes line up where they should be on there, and on this side it's gone back into the same hole there, and those bolts are all in there as well. So there was no damage to the chassis at all there, that was all good. And also we do have a new inlet manifold has turned up also, so that was for, like we said, this broken tab on here, back here a bit, and also there's a fracture on my one around there, so this is on there, so that's obviously to replace that one on there. So that'll be it for the first part of this video. There's more parts coming. There is a rad pack, airbag kit has been ordered, so we're just gonna have to wait now for these parts to come. But for now, we'll leave that video there. We look forward to seeing you in the next part where we'll start building it back together. If you've got any comments, do leave them in the comment section below. But thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.